So students, let's start up with the revision from Geography's chapter 1, India's size and location. So the first term that we had discussed when we were doing this chapter was hemisphere. Hemisphere means what? Half of earth. Let's see this with the help of the diagram of earth. ठीक है? If we are going to divide earth into two halves like this is which line? This is actually known as equator. What this line is actually doing? This is dividing our earth into two equal halves. ठीक है? Two equal halves कौन कौन से हेमिस्फेयर्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है ये? That is in northern hemisphere and in southern hemisphere. Let's once see this with the help of these directions. ये कौन सा पार्ट होगा? This would be termed as north. This one, this would be termed as south. Over here, this would be termed as west. And this one, this would be termed as east. Now let's apply these directions over this Earth's diagram first. This one, this would be termed as north. Either south, this would be termed as west. And this would be termed as east. So when we are dividing our earth into two equal halves through the line of equator, तो कौन कौन से दो हेमिस्फेयर्स में डिवाइड किया हमने? That is, we are dividing our earth into two hemispheres, that is northern hemisphere and the other one, this one, it would be termed as southern hemisphere. ठीक है? कौन कौन से दो हेमिस्फेयर्स हुए? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर. Similarly, now let's divide our earth into two equal halves through the line of prime meridian. ये कौन सा लाइन है? दिस लाइन इज नोन एज प्राइम मेरिडियन. ठीक है? दिस लाइन इज नोन एज प्राइम मेरिडियन. And when we are dividing our earth into two equal halves through this line of prime meridian, तो कौन कौन से two equal halves हुए? This one and this one. This entire one, this would be known as what? This would be known as western hemisphere. इसको क्या बोलोगे? This would be known as western hemisphere. And this part which is there, this would be termed as eastern hemisphere. तो कौन कौन से फोर हेमिस्फेयर्स हो गए? दैट वुड बी नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर, सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर, वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फेयर एंड ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फेयर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इंडियाज लोकेशन. नाउ इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड वेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस? इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर. ठीक है? इंडिया का लोकेशन क्या है? India is situated in northern hemisphere. Other than that, there is the line of Tropic of Cancer. What is the degree of this Tropic of Cancer? 23 degree 30 north. What this Tropic of Cancer is doing, it divides our country into two equal halves. क्या कर रही है? It divides our country into two equal halves. third one, that is, let's talk about the two island groups now. Which two island groups are there? Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. ठीक है, कौन कौन से दो आइलैंड्स की बात करेंगे? लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. These are the two island groups, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Let's talk about the location of these two now. Again, let's do this with the help of these directions. ये कौन कौन से 4 directions बताए मैंने आपको? North, South, West, East. If we are going to talk of this part, तो इसको क्या बोलोगे आप? This would be termed as Southwest. If we are going to move towards this part, what this would be termed as? Southeast. If we are going to move here, this part, this would be known as Northwest. And this part, it would be termed as Northeast. ठीक है? तो अब ये दो island groups, ये कहाँ पे situated है? That is Lakshadweep Island first. Lakshadweep Island, it is situated towards southwest. ठीक है, लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड कहाँ सिचुएटेड है? इट इज सिचुएटेड टूवर्ड्स southwest. And where is Andaman and Nicobar Island situated? It is situated towards southeast. Southwest now. कौन सा आइलैंड है? लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड. Now which sea is there? That is Arabian Sea. And over here towards southeast, that is Bay of Bengal. तो अगर हमें लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड की लोकेशन बोलनी है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? दैट इज लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड इज सिचुएटेड टूवर्ड्स साउथ वेस्ट इन अरेबियन सी एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड इज सिचुएटेड टूवर्ड्स साउथ ईस्ट इन बे ऑफ बंगाल. ठीक है, लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड कहाँ सिचुएटेड है? लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड इज सिचुएटेड इन southwest, that is in Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated in, that is towards southeast in Bay of Bengal. This is about the location of the two island groups. Now let's talk about the latitudinal and longitudinal extensions of India. So the latitudinal and longitudinal extensions of India are, let's talk about latitudinal one first. So what is the latitudinal extension of India? That is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Similarly, what is the longitudinal extension of India? (68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. These are the latitudinal and longitudinal extensions of India. And one more thing we had done when we were discussing about the location of India, that is through how many states this Tropic of Cancer line passes through India. अभी यहाँ पे पढ़ा कि divides our country into 2 equal parts. So through how many states it passes through India? That is in total it passes through 8 states in India. And for learning the names of those 8 states, I have even given you the shortcut key for that. What was that shortcut key that we had done that time? That is, great men can just walk to Mizoram. So how you can learn the names of those 8 states? Through this G, through grades. G, that is Gujarat. R, Rajasthan. M, Madhya Pradesh. C, Chhattisgarh. J, Jharkhand. W, West Bengal. T, Tripura. And either Mizoram or M, both they stands for Mizoram only. So this is how you can learn the names of 8 states. That's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss again about India's size now. That is, again we are going to do the revision from chapter 1 only. Thank you, class.